Ever wondered how people make money and work full-time doing YouTube? Well, today, I'm going to tell you. Basically, people make money on YouTube by playing ads on their videos. And by playing ads, they then get paid according to the number of views and ads that video gets. But you cannot start putting ads on your videos right from the start. First, you must build your channel to get 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers within a 12-month period. This means that if, for example, you uploaded 2 5-minute videos, then you would need a combined 24,000 views to be able to turn on ads. Then once you have ads on, the rate at which you get paid will differ depending on what ads are being played. Now, you're probably thinking, what can I make videos about? Or, I do not have time to make videos. What if you could upload videos to YouTube and make money from it without even making a video? Well, you can. There are lots of people out there that run multiple channels and do not lift a finger. All you need to do is come up with an idea that you think people would like and would watch. Then pay someone to create your videos. From there, you can get monetized and continue to upload and make money. Then that money will start to cover the cost of your videos and eventually outweigh those costs and turn into profit. This process could be repeated as many times as you like, potentially resulting in big profits for little amount of work. Additionally to this, you could also get brand deals, market your own brand, and or sell your own products and services you may already have. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments what you want to learn more about.